Thank you. Happy Friday, all. And Trevor, I've had the honor of watching your previous presentations, and this was another great presentation and training on pathways level 3, 4, and 5. More because it was motivational too, on how you highlighted the benefits and challenges all through your presentation. So let me touch upon the technical aspects. It was amazing how you split your screen equally. Like your PowerPoint was exactly half and you were able to project yourself in the other half of the screen. You know, we need to learn that technique from you. And the PowerPoint itself had excellent visuals and slide layout. I do not know if Toastmasters have a protocol to have um, their emblem or to say that is the Toastmasters presentation. If that was the case, it was missing in your footer. And you know, as usual, your organization was excellent. You did start with an introduction and on what exactly pathways 3, 4, and 5 levels involve. And then you went into the actual content of it and a beautiful conclusion. I love the way you touched upon the incremental updates even to start with. You know, you exactly highlighted the variation from the last level and the way you explained with a real-time experience in terms of comparing the level 2 with level 4 for dynamic leadership. That really engaged the audience more. So that was great. Thank you, Trevor, for that. That's what exactly motivates, and you know, for newcomers like us, we know exactly what we get into. Some of the items I did notice maybe was you did look at the camera. It's pretty difficult when you have a PowerPoint presentation and also trying to engage the audience, right? You looked at it, but maybe you didn't look at it straight. You didn't look straight at the camera. I understand we mostly look at the PowerPoint to read out. And from my own experience with, you know, running some of the project kickoff meetings or using PowerPoint, we try to keep the content in the actual slide a little less crowded. But I understand the objectives, maybe you have to have it exactly. But if it's very crowded, you may bold or use another variation to highlight the keywords. That's a technique that we have used. And usually the first slide also, you know, as a best practice in my workplace, we have all the topics and the timing for each of the topics when it comes to a PowerPoint. You may want to use that in the future, but it was a great training overall. And, you know, definitely we are all motivated to go ahead and start trying the pathways. Thank you, Trevor.